Hello everybody, how are we all? And welcome back to the channel, new or old. If you watched yesterday's video, I done a slow cooked beef and ale brisket for dinner and it was absolutely delicious. And while it was cooking, Nat and I went into town and just have a coffee because it cooked for 5 hours. And there was some sort of market. Now I'm not sure, I think I said it was a farmer's market. I'm not sure if it was a farmer's market or what, but there was a stall there and it was selling pasties, sausage rolls and all that sort of stuff. I'll leave a little clip here. Right guys, Nat's had hog roast sausage roll. I've had beef, Yorkshire ale, pasties. I do love a pasty. And we've had some of, what were they again, mate?
Spicy cauliflower and onion bhaji rolls.
Spicy cauliflower and onion bhaji rolls. And Scottish pie. I've never actually had a proper Scottish pie, but we're going to be having one of them. Yeah, that was recorded on Nat's phone because I didn't take my camera with me because I didn't know anything was on. And we bought some bits, and I'm going to be having, was it a spicy cauliflower and spicy cauliflower and onion bhaji roll? I'm going to have that, and that's going to have the hog roast sausage roll, and we're going to have it with some onion rings. So let me just show you, and we'll see what I like, whether that was worth the money. We don't know, do we? Let's see. There they are, guys. I can't remember the price. It was on what I just showed you. But we'll see whether they're worth the value. There is the good old sausage roll, the hog sausage roll. You can have a look. I mean, you can't see a lot. It's all in the taste, isn't it? All in the taste, guys. And here it is, which I seen it and I thought, I've got to get one of them because it smells delicious. Sounds delicious. The spicy cauliflower and onion bhaji roll. And it looks lovely. So I thought, I've got to have that. So this isn't going to be a short video, this, I think. So what we're going to do, I'm going to do them in the oven. Obviously you can do them in the air fryer if you want them. We're just going to get them in on a tray, into the oven. We're going to cook them to the done. And I'm just going to do some frozen onion rings. Right, onion rings, guys. Just the Aldi ones, the battered things there. So they diced onion in it. But that's what we're having. It's a bigger value pack. £2. There they are. We've all seen them before, haven't we? It's only the same as what you get from like Iceland and all that stuff, innit? The cheap ones. Do like an onion ring. I'll break them up halfway through. I'm going to do 2 baskets because don't forget this is our dinner. Get out the spray. We'll get that one in and I'll do the other one. And the same with that one. Bit of oil. There we go. Okay, guys, they are done. I've had them in about 20 minutes. And the smell, I'm not joking yet, the smell absolutely delicious. There they are. What do we reckon to them? They look really nice. I've just had a look at the old little video we took off Nat's phone when we got them. There was no price on them, so I'm not sure what price they were. But anyway, let's dish up. And I've even bought myself some new plates. These were on IKEA online, £2 each. I think that's well worth it, don't you? I bought 4, and I bought them because it saves me filling my plate up so much when I'm eating. you can actually see they're little serving platter things. We'll get one of them on there, and also might make my food look a bit nice. I'm gonna get some sweet chilli sauce at the bottom of this one to put my onion rings on top. There's my onion rings. Get them on there like that. Nice little dip. I will be having more onion rings than that, guys, but this is just going to be for a good old thumbnail and some mayo. Like a bit of mayo. There we go. What do you reckon to that then? So guys, what do you reckon? That smells really nice. Spicy, what was it? Spicy cauliflower and
onion bhaji.
Onion bhaji. Roll. Few onion rings. That's got a hog.
Yum.
Which is, that's what hog was, didn't you? You said well, it's a hog roast. And it is obviously pig on a spit roast. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Turn and slow. So,
Lovely.
let's, you want to go first or me?
You go first. I'll let you go first.
Right, let me cut it open, then I can show you in the middle. It looks really nice, actually, that. Really nice. What do you reckon, guys? And it smells delicious. Oh, let's show the middle of yours. Ooh, looks nice, that as well. Smell lovely, don't they?
It smells delicious. It smells really nice.
You going first?
No, you try
Oh,
pork
oh,
first, no.
Let's have a crack then. Let's just try a little section. That looks like, that pastry looks like them Jamaican patties you get from Aldi, don't they?
Like a curd pastry.
Yeah. I was going to dip it in something there, but let's just try it first.
I can't wait to try one.
Oh, that's delicious.
They're nice.
That is really nice.
Right,
Really nice.
I'm going to try one now.
Oh. A little kick. That's trying hers. Oh, that's delicious, man.
That's really nice.
Isn't that nice?
Oh, it's so tasty.
They're absolutely delicious, that is.
That's nice, that.
The company's called, I think it's Melby Bakes or something like that. I think they're new. I think, well, I had a look on their Facebook, and I don't know if it's Stratford on Avon or Gloucester they're from, unless they go to Gloucester quite a lot. I'm not sure. I'll leave a link to their Facebook page. I think they've got Facebook and Instagram. Just in case you want to look. I don't know whether they deliver, guys. I don't know whether they do your area. I ain't got a clue. Got some more. After the taste of this, I'm looking forward to the other stuff I've got. Now, this is gorgeous. I'm going to dip it in a bit of chilli sauce.
The pastry's really nice on that as well. I like pastry. But inside's the best. Oh, really tasty, actually. And you get loads in there.
Oh yeah. I wish I'd have bought a few more of them. Oh, that's delicious. That really is. Yeah, onion ring. I think, obviously I think they're a bit more expensive. I think it's a gourmet place. I'm not 100% sure, guys, as I say. And me posh plates. £2 each them. You can't moan, can you?
They're quite nice, actually, them plates.
And you can see what you got on your plate then, can't you? Instead of me just piling stuff up in it. So guys, there we go. Let me know whether they've been near you and you've had some off them. I can't wait to try them Cornish pasties. I love a Cornish pasty, mate.
I'm glad I picked this now.
Yeah.
It's really nice. Delicious.
Well done, mulberry bakes or something like that.
I'd definitely buy again after.
I would as well.
I would definitely buy again.
Wow. So there we go, guys. No, I've got nothing else to say, but wow. That is absolutely 100% delicious. So, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, we'll see you later. Bye-bye. Wow. Wow.
The meat's lovely and soft.
That's lovely. That's gorgeous.